how to compare, add, and subtract decimals. A decimal number has two parts, whole part and decimal part. Example 435.91. 435 is the whole part and 91 is the decimal part. To compare decimals, we start from the left to right, from the whole part to the decimal part. So we start from the first example, 256.13 and 67.8, the whole part. Here 256 is greater than 67. In the second example, we have 9 and 15. 9 is less than 15. The third one, 804 and 801. 804 is greater than 801. Here we have the same whole part, 0 and 0. So we move to the decimal part. We have a 3, and in the second number we have 6. 3 is less than 6. Also here we have the same whole part, 5. So we move to the decimal part, 2 and 2 are the same. 3 and 3 the same. Here we have 0 and here we can add 0, so they are equal. The last one, we have the same whole part, 0, so we move to the decimal part. Here we have 0 and in the second number we have 0, then 2 and here 0. 2 is greater than 0. How to add decimals? Here we have 4 examples. First, don't forget to line up the decimal points. We start from 79.35, then we put 2.1 and then add the 9. And we start adding 5 plus 9, 14. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. We put the point, then we add 9 plus 2 equal 11, 1 and hold 1, 7 plus 1 equal 8. Then we continue the second example, 54.2. Then we write 3.8 and then we write 6. The empty spaces we can put zeros. We add 0 plus 6, 6, 2 plus 8, 10, 0 and hold 1. We put the point. 4 plus 3 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8, and 5 plus 0 equals 5. Here we have 3 numbers, 7.4, then we write 8.1, then add 6 here and 5. The last number we put 3.4, then we write 3 and 1 in the right, 1 and 2 in the left, and the empty spaces we put zeros. We can add now. 0 plus 1, 1, 6 plus 3, 9, 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. We put the point. 7 plus 8 plus 3, 18, 8 and hold 1. 5 plus 2, 7, plus 1, 8, and 1 plus 0 equal 1. The last one, we write 12.8, then 3.9. 54, we put it 54.0. And the empty space, we put 0. 8 plus 9 equals 17, 7 and hold 1. We put the point. 2 plus 3, 5, plus 4 equal 9, plus 1 equal 10. We put 0 and hold 1. 5 plus 1 plus 1 equal 7. to subtract decimals in the same way as we add, but here we subtract. 8.2 minus 5.7. We start from the tenths. 2 minus 7 we can't, so we take from the 8. 8 becomes 7 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7 equal 5. 7 minus 5 equal 2, and we put the point. 31.84 minus 9.9, and the empty spaces we put zeros. 4 minus 0 equal 4. 8 minus 9 we can't, so we take from the 1. 1 becomes 0 and 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9 equal 9. We put the point. 0 minus 9 we can't, so we cross 3 and become 2. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 equal 1. 2 minus 0 equal 2. The last one we write 53.0, but we add another 0 because we have tenths and hundredths. Then we write 6.16 and we write 0 in the empty space and we start subtracting. 0 minus 6 we can't, so we cross 3 and become 2. 0 becomes 10, then we cross it to become 9, and we put the 1 with the 0, so it becomes 10. 10 minus 6 equal 4. 9 minus 1 equal 8. 0, and then we put the point. 2 minus 6 we can't, so 5 becomes 4 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 4 minus 0 equal 4.